evening just me and you, with leisure views for two. Our promises bound by sights we long accrue. A curtain that shades a late but morning sun. A weeping window wails for days come undone. If I live to be a weather vane, always pointing off, awake to lead you on the flyaway, turn to face the side of you. Would it be enough for me to lead your way? I stay afraid and weekday. I reach for what remains. Didn't you see the yesterday? I had decided it looked like rain. All the words I loved and said that they stayed the sidewalk drop by drop with gray. Oh, we were shine by your side, so why won't you look my way? The weather forecast calling for another cloudy day. That evening just me and you through rosy tinted views. A promise of fair winds that never blew. Vermilion claims to say the sun will stay, and yet my heart holds close the storm as it breaks. I could live to be a hurricane, turn into a tempest, violent, silent in the eye, all whirling, gusting, wondering, could it be enough to change the way you use my name and I stay for all that is. Didn't you see the yesterday? I had decided it looked like rain. All the words I loved and said that they stayed the sidewalk drop by drop with gray. Oh, we were shine my heart dry, so why can't I look away? The weather forecast calling for another cloudy day. Didn't you see the news today? I heard they said it looked like rain. All the words I left unsaid that day stained the sidewalk drop by drop with gray. Oh, rain or shine, I'm by your side, so why won't you look my way? The weather forecast calling for another. Didn't you see the yesterday? I had decided it looked like